So hi guys, good day. So let's design a very simple catering flyer using PixelLab. Yeah, so let me go to my size here. I'll change the size to 2024. Yeah, and then what I will do now is I will actually create a shape here. I'll create a kind of mini shape, not that much. Let it be just like this. Yeah, so I'll increase the radius to this, and then for the color I need to change the color. Let me see where's my color. Let me change it to this, and then the next thing that I will do is I will create another shape here, and then for this shape I'll just bottom it like this. So let me use this. Yeah, so that I may not distort something. So for this I will just cross it along here, and then where is this? Let me increase the size. Sorry, radius. Let me increase the radius to like this. Yep. And then for the color I will turn it like this. This radius I need to reduce it to, let's say 9, 10, 8. Let's say 8. Yeah. Oh my god. So let me just I need it to be bigger. Yeah. So I'll work on the alignment here. Yeah, this is good. Let me just leave it like this. So what I will do next is I will actually create another shape here at the top corner here, and then for this shape let me increase the radius, and then I will go to color. For the color I will, opacity of the color should be 0, and then for where is stroke, I need stroke to be 2. Should I say 2 or 1? Okay, let me go with 2. And the stroke color should be this. So I will go to my eraser and then increase this. I'll just wipe away some of the parts, wipe some parts. Yeah, so that's it actually. So you can actually see how it works. So I'm just going to build a structure for the flyer. This is Merrick's. So I'll just fix it around this axis, and then I'll increase the size like this, and then I will go to my fonts. So I will use this font, which is Dux Festa. Is it Fista? I don't know how to speak much English. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos on graphics. Yeah, so if you look at the edge of that X, it's not actually clear, so I will just go to, it's not actually, the edge is cut, it has been cut up, so I will just go to fading. Where is fading? Yeah, so I will just increase the right fading to, let's say 9. Yeah, you can actually see now it's clear. Oh, so I'll just make it like this, and then what I will do next, should I expand this? Should I increase the size? Let me increase the size. Yeah, so this is good. This is good. So I will just create a text, and then on this text I will just write tasty bites. Is it tasty? Okay, let me say tasty. You know that? Nah, So for this, I'll just go to my font and then change it to another font which is colorful, and then we are good to go. So for the color of the text, it should be this, and then I'll just drag it down here. Yeah. So I don't need this video to be that long. I'll just create a kind of shape here. Yeah, a kind of shape like this. And then for this shape, I'll just turn it like this. Yeah, this is good. I'll just copy it, paste it like this. Copy it, paste it like this. So that's it actually. So what I will do next is actually to put my writings, although let me just go and bring my background. Let me go to gallery. From gallery, you can set there, and then so I'm going to use this background actually. Sorry. So let me just expand the background like this, and then I'll turn it to the back by pressing on this to the back. Yeah, you can actually see it now. So what I will do is I will go to color filter, and then I will just play with the hue. I'll play with the hue just like this. This is good. This is good. So what remains for me is just to go to this first image we created, or shape. I'll just go and texture it with a kind of image. So let me see whether I got a kind of image like this. So this one can go. Yep, I'll just pick on this 3:2 ratio, and we are good to go. Yeah, so that's it. I will do same for this. Am I fast? So I'll just do same for this, and then we are good to go also. Yeah. So for this also, I'll just go and texture it with a kind of texture. Yeah, let's see, this one is okay. This one looks like okay. Let me just pick this one. This one looks more delicious. So that's it for this, and then what I will do next is for me to go and import cupcake. So let me just do that. I don't want the video to be that long. Let me just do that. So I actually import all the cupcake, and then I think we are actually good to go. It's just for me to write up the writings and then proceed. That's all. Although let me create a shape here and then put it a kind of here. Let me increase the radius. Yeah, and then for the color, let me pick this as a color. Then we are good to go. Yeah, so it's just for me to put the writing. So I think I will just do that because of time. I don't want the video to be that long. So I just write the write-ups, and then I think I actually import this icon here, and then this icon, then write up this. So I think basically that's it. So what I will do next is I will create a shape. So on this shape, I'll just fix it like this. So I will increase the radius here of the shape, and then I will decrease the opacity, and then increase the stroke to, let's say, 2, and then make it white. I think this is good. So what I will do next is for me to should I leave it at 1? Okay, let me see if 1 can go. The stroke width. So let me go to where is my eraser? Yeah, Let me just use eraser to create a kind of something that is looking good. I don't know whether it can look good, but it seems so. Yeah. So if you look at here, you can actually see what I did. So let me just align it just like this. So I think this is good. So I can copy it and then let me make it to the down, and then I will reduce the size a little bit. I'm gonna fix it here. So what I will do is to go to 3D and then rotate it to the size. I think we are good to go actually. I think we are good to go, unless if there is anything. Yeah. So this is it. This looks better, right? So what remains now is for me to actually create a kind of effect. Let me go to here and then choose sticker. So for this sticker, I will increase the size like this, and then I will turn it just like this. I just fix it around here. I don't know whether this effect look good, but to me it looks good actually. So that's it. Okay, let me see if I can convert it to this. Yeah, this is good actually. So I will copy it and then I will reduce it. I will just stretch it like this, and then I will make it to be black. I want to create a kind of shadow effect so that this will look so realistic. I don't know whether this looks real. This look real. Yeah, so I think this is good. Or maybe should I leave it to the back? Should I make it to the back? Yeah, and just kind of make it to the back. Yeah, this looks good actually. So this is a kind of shadow effects at the down. So let me just make this one to be at the downside a little bit. Yeah, so that's it actually. I think you can actually go to what again, where again, okay, let's say fix art and then create some of the effect if you like, but even like this you can actually call it a day. So thank you very much guys, do have a nice day. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you very much guys.